Hi y'all. Okay, obviously I'm not there today. Snow is crazy. I just wanted to make sure that we were very clear on what we're doing today and what your expectations are. Remember that your respect for your substitute should be above and beyond, okay? You guys know how you're supposed to treat a substitute. They are a guest in our classroom and they should be treated that way, okay? If there are behavior problems, email me, okay? Email me with your issues, whether it's with life or yourself, whatever. Okay, just send me an email. I'll be here. And then just keep in mind like what happened last time. Okay. You can always earn extended brain boosts when I come back. Maybe you could even earn a McDonald's lunch. Maybe you could earn a parent phone call home. But, you know, hopefully that's a good phone call home. Okay? Don't mess this up. If the movie ends early, you need to be reading your IRB. All your grades are completely up to date, and to be honest, that IRB or IR time is really messing some of y'all up, and you need to be reading. Okay? Remember that during the movie, there should be absolutely no talking. There shouldn't be any electronics out. You can have food, but remember that the substitute will be checking the floor at the end of each class. If there is food residue, if there's trash, anything like that, you will not be able to have food for our next movie. And so just like be aware. All right. Don't be a butt today. Again, contact me if you guys have any issues. I love you. Be good.